If you're choosing between Click's Communicator and Titan 2 Elite, here's the real question. Do you want a phone that removes distractions, or one that replaces your main phone completely? Click's Communicator is built around one idea: focus. It's a compact Android phone with a physical keyboard designed mainly for messaging, calls, and essential apps. In real use, it works like a second phone or a productivity device that keeps you away from distractions like endless scrolling. The price is around $399 early or about $499 standard, which puts it in the mid-range smartphone category. That cost makes sense if your goal is productivity and staying focused, not entertainment. But it does have a downside. It's intentionally limited, so if you expect a full-feature smartphone experience, it can feel restricted very quickly. Titan 2 Elite takes the opposite approach. It's a full smartphone with a physical keyboard, more like a modern BlackBerry. In real workflows, you can use it for everything: apps, browsing, work, and communication all in one device. It's designed for people who want the keyboard experience but don't want to give up normal smartphone features. Pricing is not always clearly listed publicly depending on region, but it generally sits in the mid-range smartphone category. But I found some downside. Because it tries to do everything, it can feel bulky and less focused, especially if your goal is simplicity or productivity. So in practice, Click's Communicator is best if you want a distraction-free, focused communication device. Titan 2 Elite is better if you want a full smartphone with a keyboard and more flexibility. They do compete, but here's the real difference. Click's is built to limit you, so you stay productive, while Titan is built to give you everything in one device. If this helped you decide, make sure to like, subscribe for more honest comparisons, and I'll see you in the next one.